Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Spiritual Guidance. My name is Vishal, and I'm gonna present you more information about spirituality. It is a continuation of my previous video, Part 1, Spirituality Part 1. So let's start. Now, in the previous video, I explained what spirituality is and what is the difference between religious belief and the spirituality and life and death. Now, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to meet your spiritual needs. Now, spirituality or spiritual needs is something which is within us. You're not looking anything outside, you're looking something inside. Now, to meet your spiritual needs, it is very important to eat a balanced diet. Now, how does a balanced diet affect your spiritual needs? You might have experienced it that when you eat food like crazy, you feel more sleepy, a laziness, and you will feel like less alertness. If you're less alert, it is really hard to meet your spiritual needs, because spiritual needs require more alertness, right? So it is important what you eat. Now, lot of spiritual practitioners, what they do is they eat one meal a day. Most of the time they are on fluids. They eat more veggies and fruits, because veggies and fruits are less complicated compared to meat. And the way our body is designed, our intestines are 5 to 6 times the length of our height, the length of our whole body, which means that when you eat something, it has to go through the intestine, which could be somewhere between 15 to 20 feet, right? So if you eat meat, it takes meat up to 3 days, 72 hours to be processed through that intestine and then come out through your body. When you eat veggies and fruits, they take up to 6 to 8 hours. So you can see the comparison, that if you eat fruit and veggies, they are easily digested in your system, and your system don't have to overwork to digest them, and in results it doesn't produce much toxins, and which helps you to meet your spiritual need. I'm not saying you to, if you are a meat lover, then you just quit eating meat. No, it's not my motive here. I'm not here to influence you how you should spend your life, or what you should eat or what you should not eat. All I'm saying is that if you're looking for spiritual awareness or spiritual needs, this is one way of meeting. It's like a step. So for me myself, I'm pure vegetarian, and that's what I do. I eat veggies, and before I used to do bodybuilding, so I used to eat like 6 times a day, and I used to take a lot of protein supplements. But then now I'm more into spirituality, so I've actually reduced my diet. I'm eating once or twice a day, not more than that, because before I used to eat a lot, and then what it did to me was I used to feel very sleepy, my mind was less alert. Now I'm eating less, but my mind is more alert, and I'm very at peace within myself. I'm very at peace. So yeah, you need to drink more water, which is again a good thing for your body to release toxins out of your body. Another thing is you need to do some sort of physical exercise, whether you want to do yoga, you want to do a brisk walk in the morning, in the evening, some sort of physical activity which can help your body to release toxins. Now, once these toxins are released, your body is at more ease when you want it to perform spiritually or mentally, right? Another good thing when you do physical exercise is that you inhale fresh air, which is oxygen, which increases the efficiency of your brain, because brain does not have any sort of connection with the blood circulation, right? So brain the food of brain is purely oxygen. So if you have oxygen deficiency, your brain will not be at its best, right? So when you inhale more oxygen, you will get the best results out of your brain. Your brain will be more active, and then you would be able to focus more uh, on your spiritual needs. And breathing technique. Now, a very important part of meeting your inner self is breathing technique. Um, as we grow older, we we lose breathing compared to, if you see a newborn child and you see the stomach of a newborn child, every time a newborn child breathes, the stomach moves. You can see the movement over there. But as we grow older, we are not breathing properly, we are not breathing at its fullest, and that is the reason why nowadays people are suffering more from depression, anxiety, anger, because your brain is not receiving proper amount of oxygen. Okay, so when you breathe, um, when you're doing meditation or when you're sitting in a quiet place and you're trying to meditate, the best thing is just breathe in to the fullest, hold your breath, and then release it completely out of your body. In some of the psychologists, they call it 7:7, that you breathe in counting 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold your breath for 7 and then release it for 7, and do not inhale anything for 7. So by doing that, you're breathing a big amount of air inside. You're holding it. Your body is deriving all the oxygen from the air during that 7 seconds, and then when you release it completely out, so there is nothing, you're releasing all the carbon dioxide and everything out of your body, and then you're giving your body to absorb the oxygen into your lungs and your body, so that it can transfer it to your brain and everywhere. And then you do the process once again after 7. So that is a very good technique. I've tried it myself and it works pretty well. And then once you sync your body and mind using the breathing technique, then all you have to do is, when you are trying to do meditation, you have to, when you're breathing, focus on your breathing first. All right, so every time you breathe, just bring entire focus when you are breathing the air in. You feel that the air is going inside your lungs and you're stopping it over there, and then it is going out through your mouth or through your nostrils. So once you have achieved some sort of time duration that you can focus on your breath for 2 minutes, 3 minutes in continuation, then you can change it to focusing in the middle of your eyes. So it helps you to increase your concentration, focus, and process the information. That's all you have. That's what it does. It helps you. When you concentrate, when you close your eyes and you're concentrating, when you're focusing, what you are doing is you're training your mind to remove every emotion, everything out of your body and mind, and focus on nothing. So what it's gonna do is, every time you will have an issue or a situation where your mind need to react quickly, you would be able to process the information and act on that information appropriately. It will help you to make judgments or decisions, and a lot of things. It will help you to maintain peace and calmness in you. Connecting with Mother Earth. Now this is a very, very important aspect of spirituality, that we have created a distance from the Mother Nature, Mother Earth. Now if you see that, when we think about something which is creating a lot of issues as anxiety, depression, what we are doing is we are continuously thinking about a specific situation, topic, or thing, and then we are repeating that process in our brain, and because we are not able to process that information, it is causing a depression, anxiety, which is resulting in anger. You're not comfortable at all. The best thing of getting rid of those type of things is the way through Mother Earth. Now if you see, Mother Earth can provide you the necessary energy to get rid of the negative energy, and it will replenish you with the positive energy. All you have to do is, when you have time, take off your shoes, go on a grass or somewhere, close your eyes, and try to connect with Mother Earth. The moment you achieve this connection with Mother Earth, you will realize that it's so, you will find peace within you. It will come to you because Earth it has power, it has so much of energy which can change, it can transform your life. So I will make a proper video on how to connect with Mother Earth, because it's a very lengthy process, and I would do a proper video where I will show it to you how to do it. So stay tuned. Help community or person in need. Now why do we need to do that? It's a way of achieving satisfaction that you have done something good. You will feel good, you will have a sense of satisfaction, which will help you to attain peace in your life, right? It says good karma which goes around come back around, right? So when you do something, you're giving something, so it releases a good and positive energy. The person who receives it, he releases a good and positive energy which goes into the universe, and it comes back to you. All right, so if you have done something good to someone, you will receive something good, and it can help you in meeting your spiritual needs. That is what spirituality in. So when you help someone, then you'll get helped by the universe. That's how the thing works. Alright, thanks for watching my video again. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates and videos. If you have any questions, you can write those questions in the comment box, and I will try to answer those questions. And I will try to develop another video on few other topics like